I'm 60 years old today, and when I look back, I realize I spent more than 3 decades learning lessons I wish someone had told me sooner. Not because I'm slow to learn, but because for many years, I thought I knew everything. I didn't want advice, I didn't want correction. I wanted solutions that matched what I believed, not what I needed. And because of that stubbornness, I walked straight into health problems that robbed me of energy, sleep, peace, and clarity. My hope is that by sharing the mistakes I made, you won't have to repeat them. I can't rewind time and fix my younger self. But you? You have the chance to make better choices now. And the sooner you understand these 7 lessons, the easier your later years will be. Let's begin with the mistake that drained my health more than anything else. Mistake number 1, trying to fix everything with vitamins instead of nutrition. There was a point in my life when I was swallowing more than 100 vitamins a day. I'm not exaggerating. I carried bottles everywhere. If I drove past a health store, I'd pull over and say, maybe this new one will finally give me some energy. I was exhausted, inflamed, and dealing with constant insomnia, but instead of changing the way I lived, I tried to swallow my way back to health. The truth I didn't understand at the time is simple. Supplements don't work when your diet doesn't work. My meals were weak. My nutrition was unbalanced. I was trying to power my body on plant protein alone, and it wasn't enough. My muscles were starving, my brain was foggy, and my hormones were crashing. What I should have done, and what I do today, is start my morning with real, nourishing protein. Eggs, sardines, chicken, beef, salmon. Protein rebuilds you from the inside out. Vitamins are just helpers. They cannot replace real food. If I could talk to my younger self, I'd say, stop running from store to store, fix your plate, not your pill box. Mistake number 2, believing detoxes would save me. There was a period in my life where every detox trend, juice cleanse, colon flush, liver purge, I tried them all. I flushed out good bacteria, strained my system, and put my body under constant stress. And because these detoxes kept giving me just enough sugar to stay hungry, I never entered the calm state your body reaches during proper fasting. I wasn't healing, I was punishing myself. The truth is, your liver, kidneys, and digestive system already know how to detox. They just need the right diet so they can work properly. I didn't need endless cleanses. I needed proper protein, vegetables, healthy fats, fermented foods, stable meals. When your nutrition is right, your body detoxes itself, quietly, naturally, and every single day. Mistake number 3, delaying healthy eating for later. When I was younger, I always told myself, I'll start eating healthy after I graduate, or when life slows down, or when I have more time. Of course, that magical moment never came. Instead, I lived on coffees, carbs, bread, noodles, and anything quick and cheap. I assumed feeling tired was normal. I assumed mental fog was just me. But it wasn't me. It was blood sugar chaos. And here's the part that makes me shake my head now. Even after graduation, I still didn't change. I went into vegan dieting, thinking it was pure and clean, but it only damaged my gut more. I was inflamed, undernourished, and constantly tired. Only years later did I discover a balanced, low-carb lifestyle that finally restored my health. If you're reading this and waiting for the perfect time to take care of yourself, please hear me. There is no perfect time. But there is a point where waiting becomes dangerous. Start now, even if small. Mistake number 4. Misreading pain and ignoring my gallbladder. For years, I carried a strange tightness under my right rib cage. It pulled into my right shoulder so badly I thought I had a joint problem. I visited chiropractors, massage therapists, physical therapists, but no one could fix it. What I didn't know was this. Right shoulder pain can be a sign of bile congestion and gallbladder stress. All that time I was treating the wrong problem. My body wasn't asking for therapy. It was begging for better digestion, better fats, and fewer irritants. This taught me one important lesson. Just because pain shows up in one area doesn't mean that's where the problem is. Sometimes the body speaks in riddles. You must learn to listen. Mistake number 5, thinking intermittent fasting did nothing. Someone once told me about intermittent fasting, and I brushed it off like it was nonsense. Not eating? That's it? I laughed. But years later, when I finally tried it correctly, everything changed. My weight dropped. My face thinned out. My energy stabilized. My cravings vanished. I realized something powerful. Hunger wasn't my hunger. It was blood sugar dependency. I wasn't tired. I was carb dependent. I wasn't weak. I was insulin resistant. Fasting taught my body how to burn fat again, not survive on glucose every hour. If I had understood this in my 20s or 30s, I would have saved myself decades of swelling, fatigue, and inflammation. Mistake number 6, overdoing. Kale shakes and fiber. Oh, those kale shakes. I believe the hype. 10 cups a day. More fiber is always better. Blend everything and drink your nutrients. Except, too much fiber can irritate the gut, and sweetened shakes can overload you with fruit sugar. I was blending kale with pineapple and berries, thinking it was healthy, but it was actually spiking my insulin and upsetting my stomach. Today, I still eat vegetables, but in moderation. I choose fermentation, cooked greens, and smaller portions. Balance is better than extremes. Mistake number 7, ignoring magnesium deficiency. This one cost me the most. For years, I suffered from muscle cramps, eye twitches, restless legs, sleepless nights, kidney stones, and unexplained fatigue. I didn't know that magnesium is one of the most essential minerals for relaxation, heart function, sleep quality, and muscle balance. And because modern water is stripped of minerals, many people, especially seniors, become deficient without knowing it. When I finally corrected my magnesium levels, my sleep improved, my cramps vanished, and my energy returned. If I could change one thing early in life, this would be it. Protect your magnesium. It protects everything else. If there is one thing aging has taught me, it's this. Nothing steals your health faster than neglect, and nothing restores it faster than awareness. I can't go back and undo the years of mistakes, but you can. You can start eating better today. You can protect your sleep tonight. You can reduce stress this very moment. You can bring more connection into your life this week. Every choice you make is a message to your future self. I care about you. Take that seriously. You deserve health. You deserve clarity. You deserve peace. You deserve a long, strong life. And it starts with how you treat your body. Today. If this message opened your eyes or helped you recognize even one habit you want to change, please take a moment to tap the like button. It helps YouTube share this wisdom with more people who need it. And if you want to keep learning how to stay strong, clear-minded, and healthy at any age, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Your journey matters. Your future matters. And I'm honored to walk with you as we build a longer, healthier, more meaningful life together.